Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. First of all, I would like to thank for an amazing response on our previous video. If you have not watched that video, link will be in the I button, so please make sure to watch that video. So today we are coming up with some impressive tips to boost the performance of your low-end PC. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Our first trick is to clear the temp files. So first go to the start menu and search for RUN run and search. Something this type of dialog box will open, and in that search temp temp. So I have recently cleared all the temp files. You will have many files here, so press Ctrl A and delete that file. So after deleting, then press the window button and that will open the same dialog box which is run. Now type %sign temp temp and again the %sign and press OK. You will get some this type of file. Select all and delete. Some of them might not get deleted because they are running somewhere in the background. So once you will restart your PC, this file also will be deleted. So now as I am recording, so I am skipping that all file. After deleting that files will be coming in the recycle bin. So go to the recycle bin, click on the right click and empty the recycle bin. Now moving to our next trick, go to the start menu and type disk. You will find two options, disk cleanup and disk defragment. First go to the disk cleanup, select here C drive. My window is installed in C drive, so select the drive in which you have installed your Windows. So I have selected C drive, press OK. This will take a while to calculate the errored memory dump files. After getting this file calculated, some of these boxes might be unclicked. You can see these boxes might be unchecked. So make sure to check all the boxes, and here it will show this much size is of dump files. So click OK. This will ask the permission to delete that file permanently. It is 100% safe. You can click delete files. These files are created when you use internet daily. While using internet, there are many temp files which are downloading in the background, which we can't see. Now again go to the start menu and type disk. Go to the second option, disk defragment. Now as you can see, I have already fragmented last on as you can see here, all the drives are appearing which I have in my PC. So click one by one and click on the defragment disk which is given right here. This will take a while to finish the defragmentation, like it will take around 10 minutes. So I will not show the whole process, but this will keep on running in the background. So now moving to the main trick, which is how we can create a virtual RAM and it can boost the performance of your PC. As you can see, my RAM is only of 3 GB, not fully 3 GB. It is 2.43 GB, which is usable. So now we will see how we can make n version RAM and increase the performance of our PC. So go to the properties of my computer, go to the advanced system settings, and in advanced option go to the performance settings. Then again go to the advanced. Here you will find a virtual memory option, which is recently 0 MB. So we will set up something over here. Now go to the change. First of all, I will select the C drive. In that I will create. Here no paging file option would be selected. So select the custom size, and I am going to type 2048 MB, which is almost 2 GB. I will create 2 GB RAM in each of the drive because my RAM is of 2 GB. Now I will press the select button. Similarly, I will do for every drive. So as you can see, I have done that. Now press key. And there's one more tip which you can use if you are running on any window. So make sure to restart it once in a week. Regularly make restart. Don't only just shut down and start your PC. Have a habit to restart once in a week, so it will auto update all the system logs. For this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.